Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to take a quick look at this 2024 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. As you can see, the whole color is in the desert tan. You have the red classic graphics, black rub rail, stainless steel insert, nice bimini in the boot right now, but when deployed, plenty of shade, paired with a 90 Mercury outboard, 4-stroke, fuel efficient, quiet, and we're also sitting on a galvanized trailer. Let's take a look inside. Now that we're inside the 16 Super Sport, at the bow you can see there's a nice casting deck. Underneath here is perfect storage for your anchor locker with the tie-off cleat up front. Moving back, you see you have a cooler here. There is also an option for a cushion here to make this an extra seat. You have lockable storage on the console for your keys, wallet, things of that nature. Nav light controls, as well as your anchor light. Your binnacle, a nice bench seat. You also have an option for bucket seats or a cushion that you can get installed on the bench seat to make it a little bit more comfortable. You can also see we have twin 6-gallon fuel tanks. Ride out all day, out in the water, cruising the islands. Back here you can see we have the teak package. Definitely a beautiful feature to the 16 Super Sport. Along with your ladder, your 4-step ladder, easy access on and off the boat. That's going to conclude this quick walkthrough of this 2024 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. If you have any questions or you want to check this boat out, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.